One of, if not the most important part about an espresso machine is the portafilter. Now in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to clean and maintain your portafilters. Now to start off, all you have to do is remove the basket. You'll notice there's some old coffee granules at the bottom, soaked in with some oils as well. Now, the easiest way to clean your portafilters is to soak in some boiling water for about 20 minutes. This is what I made earlier. I'm just going to show you very quickly. So all you're going to need is some cleaning agent and about 3 grams, roughly, of the chemical. Some boiling water. And you don't want to add too much water, as you don't want the actual handle of the portafilter to be soaking, as over time the grip will wear away. Now you can use any type of container for this, for as long as it holds and is suitable for hot water. Now we let that soak for 20 minutes. This is what I made earlier. And simply, with a clean cloth, to scrub and make sure it's clean throughout, in between the spouts, underneath the basket, and before use, make sure you rinse as well with boiling hot water.